Hey guys, I'm Dave from RIVA, and this is the 2026 Yamaha CrossWave. I'm going to take you through an in-depth walkthrough on this incredible craft and some of its key accessories. Let's jump into it. Before we get started, please note that this is a pre-production craft and the accessories are also pre-production. There might be some minor changes in the production releases. Let's dive into the dimensions. This is a very large and stable craft. The length is 12 foot 11 inches, which is 14 inches longer than a Yamaha FX, and the width or beam is 5 foot 7 inches, which is 17 inches wider than a Yamaha FX. Now I'm going to take you on a tour of this craft, starting with the bow area. The vehicle is equipped with radiused bars that attach to this structure and arc down to the T-track. These bars are completely removable to create a large, wide open walking platform. And notice the whole deck is covered with this beautiful non-slip material. The fuel capacity of the CrossWave is 26.4 gallons. This is your fuel fill right here. This is your anchor locker. The anchor locker has a dedicated chock system that can hold a Danforth style anchor and all of the anchor road, plus room for extra cargo. This is a bracket for a Minn Kota trolling motor. This is an aftermarket accessory that will be available through Yamaha. This is what it looks like with the Minn Kota trolling motor installed. When installing the trolling motor option, you will need to also install a secondary battery. It'll be a full-size Group 24 marine battery, which will be located inside the anchor locker behind this access panel. Moving back to the helm area, we have our familiar Yamaha Wave Runner controls. That includes the throttle, the ride, the audio buttons, the connects buttons, the tilt steering, and a good-sized glove box that includes both USB and power outlets. Now for the twin 7-inch displays. On the left, we have the Yamaha meter assembly, which gives you all critical engine information, including speed, RPM, engine condition, and audio controls. On the right, we have the Simrad GPS system, which gives you full navigation, depth, and fish finder functionality. This is a Yamaha accessory panel that is available as an aftermarket option through Yamaha. It allows you to attach all kinds of options like a fishing rod holder, handheld VHF, or even a fishing tool holder. The standard audio system includes two large 8-inch marine speakers that are mounted in the footwells. They link to your phone via Bluetooth connection, and they also feature a casting feature that allows them to connect to other audio systems. Also in the footwell area, we have an accessory storage bag and a self-bailing drain. This is the accessory bait bucket bracket. It's basically a nice constructed plastic bracket that bolts in right to your T-track and allows you to put a full-size bait bucket in. There's also some grooves to put fishing tools. The CrossWave is rated for 4 passengers. The driver goes here, passenger 1, passenger 2, and passenger 3. And this rear seat is removable, and there's storage underneath. This large capacity cooler comes standard on the CrossWave. It attaches securely via this T-track system with some quick release brackets. Mounted to the side of the cooler are aftermarket bags that are available through Yamaha as an accessory. Now that we have the cooler removed, we can take a look at the aft deck area. This is an accessory rod holder which attaches to your T-track mounting system. And back here we have 2 compartments. The aft compartment is how you access your battery. This is the quick access port for charging and inspection. And then we have 4 screws which can be removed if you want to remove or replace your battery. It is a full-size Group 24 marine battery, and that comes standard with the craft. The forward compartment door opens to expose your pump cleanout system. This has a cleanout plug that comes out and allows you to access your jet pump to clean debris out without jumping in the water and getting wet. This is a shut-off switch that automatically shuts off the engine when you open this hatch for safety reasons. And this is a 12-volt power output for future accessory usage. With the rear seat removed, we can now remove our front seat. And that exposes your fire extinguisher compartment, which is also a quick access door to your engine compartment. When removing this access panel, you can see the Yamaha 1.9-liter HO engine. This engine produces 200 horsepower. My Yamaha sources say it drives the craft in the mid-50s when fully loaded. This is also a sub-deck area that can be removed with a few fasteners for complete engine access. The CrossWave includes 3 pop-up cleats for easy securing to the dock, 1 located on each side midships and 1 at the bow. One of the coolest features of the CrossWave are the huge storage lockers at the stern. On the starboard side, we have deep rod storage along with a main battery switch which will shut off all power to the craft, a fuse box, and an accessory panel. This port side locker is equipped with an accessory organizer which will be sold separately. It will hold your bait bucket, net, tackle boxes, and this raw water washdown hose, which we'll get to in a moment. Underneath this organizer is deep storage. This unit is equipped with an accessory raw water washdown system. This hose clips right into this spigot right here, and there's an electric pump that's driven off of the battery, and this is perfect for washing down all your fish guts. Moving over to the transom, we have our drain plugs, we have a large swim step that's equipped with some nice boarding mats, we have a boarding handle, we have a tow hook, and we have some nice meaty bumpers. This accessory bracket will be offered by Yamaha, and it's designed to hold the Power Pole micro anchor, which is an electric, self-contained anchoring system that drives this pole into the ocean bottom to secure the CrossWave in place. It is actuated by a remote control. So there you have it. The CrossWave will be available summer of 2026, and it comes complete with a trailer. We are actively taking deposits at all 4 RIVA Motorsports locations, so stop by and talk to one of our sales specialists so we can get you out on the water.